Hello children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class we discussed about our festivals. What did I say? Like festivals are the time for joy and happiness. During festivals we meet our friends, relatives, neighbors, we go to them, we'll meet them, we'll greet each other, we wear new dress, new clothes, everything we buy new, we clean our houses, we decorate our houses with flowers, and we prepare special dishes. Then we will, according to the festival, we'll prepare special dishes and eat them. We'll meet each other, we'll meet with our friends, we exchange the gifts with them. And we have many festivals, like there are national festivals and religious festivals. National festivals are the festivals which are celebrated throughout the country, whether the people are Hindus, Muslims, Christians or Sikh, anyone, everyone will celebrate that festival. So what are that festivals? Or even in the schools, offices also they will celebrate. So what are that festivals? Like it is Independence Day. Independence Day is the day on which we got the independence from the Britishers. So everyone will celebrate the Independence Day, and on this particular day everyone will host the flag, they'll sing the national anthem and patriotic songs, and we give a tribute to the freedom fighters who fought for us and brought the freedom to us. And in the same way we celebrate Republic Day. On Republic Day every year on 26th of January Republic Day is celebrated, and in the Rajpath in India Gate, New Delhi, President will take the salute of the soldiers. Then school children, police, different, everyone will celebrate. They will sing and dance, and they'll take part in the celebration. Different religion, people of different religion will celebrate the festival. Then one more national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. It is on 2nd of October. So on this particular day, 2nd of October, every year, everyone, whoever is possible, they will visit the Rajghat in New Delhi. They'll do the prayer at Rajghat on the Samadhi of the Mahatma Gandhi on this particular day. Then religious festivals are the festivals of the special religions. Like Hindus will celebrate the Diwali on this particular day. This is the festival of lights. On this particular day everyone will decorate their houses with the lights. They'll prepare special dishes, they wear new clothes, children will burst the crackers, elders will do the Lakshmi Puja, the goddess of wealth. They'll invite the Lakshmi to come to their houses and exchange the sweets, and they'll also offer the prayers to the Lord Ganesha. Then Holi is the festival of colors. Everyone will sprinkle the colored water and smear the gulal over each other, and they will enjoy, sing, dance and enjoy. Then Eid ul Fitr is the festival of Muslims. After 1 month of fasting, they will celebrate the Eid ul Fitr. Eid, they'll wear new clothes, go to mosque, offer the prayers, then greet each other as Eid Mubarak, prepare special dishes and eat. And Christmas is a festival of Christians. Every year on 25th of December, Christians will celebrate the Christmas. It is the birthday of the Jesus Christ. People go to the churches, they will offer the prayers, they'll arrange the Christmas trees in their houses, they'll invite the people, have a dinner with them, have a lunch with them. Then it is believed that Santa Claus will come and give the gifts to the children on the eve of the Christmas. Then Guru Parab is the festival of Sikhs. On this particular day, They wear new clothes, offer prayers at the Gurudwaras, processions will be taken out, and they will cook the food in the langar, which is a common kitchen, and distribute the food to everyone. So these are the different festivals, different religions will celebrate. This we have learned. Let us go to the textbook exercises. Open page number 80. Okay, tick the correct option. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at dash in New Delhi. On Independence Day, where the Prime Minister will host? See, our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Red Fort. Okay. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort. RED, Red, FORT, Fort. Red Fort in Delhi. Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, on Independence Day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Then, page 81. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 15th August, 2nd October. On 2nd October. 2nd OCTOBER, October. We offer our prayers at dash on Guru Parabs, mosque, Gurudwaras. Guru Parab, we go to Gurudwara. GURDWARAS, Gurudwaras. Dash is an important festival of Kerala. Lohari, Onam, Onam, Onam. Bihu is celebrated in, see, some of the festivals are given off the hook, some festivals are given here. Bihu is celebrated in Assam at different times of the year. Bihu in Assam. Bihu is celebrated in Assam, ASSAM, Assam. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. We offer our prayers at Gurudwaras on Guru Parabs. Onam is an important festival of Kerala. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Match the following. Boat race. Boat race, Onam. Boat race, Onam. Diya, Diwali. 15th August, Independence Day. Jesus Christ's birthday, 25th December. 26th January, Republic Day. Boat race, Onam. Boat race, Onam. Diya, Diwali. 15th August, Independence Day. Jesus Christ's birthday, 25th December. 26th January, Republic Day. Strike the odd one out. Strike the odd one out. Independence Day, Onam, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. Onam is a religious festival. So, strike Onam. Gurudwara, Rajpath, mosque, church. Church, mosque and Gurudwara, people go for the prayer. Rajpath is not a prayer hall. So, cut this. Independence Day, Lohari, Onam, Bihu. Lohari, Onam and Bihu are the religious festival. Independence Day is a national festival. Cut. Gajak, pudding, popcorn, colors. Gajak, pudding, popcorn, colors. Gajak, pudding and popcorn are eatable things. Colors is not a, colors we can't eat. So cut this. Okay. Search the given words from the following word maze. Festival, Bihu, Onam, Holi, church. So in this word puzzle you need to find out the words. Festival. Where is the festival here? You have to search and just circle it. Okay, this is for your homework. Okay, search this and write. Then active fish. Cut out the pictures of people celebrating different festivals from magazines. Paste these pictures in a big chart paper to make a beautiful and vibrant collage. Put it up on the wall in your room. So, cut out the pictures of people celebrating the festivals, but paste it in your classwork. Okay, paste in the classwork. Paste in classwork, not in a chart or in a room. Okay, paste in your classwork. You have learned that we should not burst crackers, but you like celebrating Diwali with crackers. You love to watch rockets whooshing up in the air and bursting into dazzling stars. So how would you celebrate the next Diwali? Would you burst crackers or would you choose to enjoy crackerless Diwali? You only think and say. Okay, nice fish. Do you think it is important to celebrate different festivals? Name the festivals that you love celebrating with your family the most. What other festivals do you celebrate? So, you need to talk on this. Okay, children. Which are the festivals that we celebrate? Do we have to celebrate the festivals at all? Or which festivals you celebrate with your family, and which are the festivals which mostly you will be celebrating? Okay. So with this we have completed with our lesson. We'll meet in our next class with a new lesson. Have a good day.